What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa today, and we have another Tigris roller coaster construction update, this time via a new reporter, Freddy. And he brings us today a whole bunch of new track segments here in the storage lot. And here's a little closer look at some of those track segments that have arrived. And our guess is these are going to be for the vertical portion of Tigris, where it's going to be going up out of the station. So yeah, it's got a little bit of a twist to it, not much. Yeah, it's either going to be for that or it's going to be for the non-inverting loop, as the track segments are a little bit thicker here, as you can see. So earlier reports are that we had 3 trucks come in today for all the track. And also, the crane is starting to rise. In fact, it's fully assembled now. So I'm expecting a lot of these track segments, as well as supports, are going to start heading over. And this weekend or sometime next week, we're really going to see some changes on Tigris. Now, we are aware that all of this showed up because of a user-submitted tip. And we highly suggest if you guys are ever at the parks, send us a photo. You can send us an email to our Facebook or to info@Midway Mayhem. If you're at the park and you see something exciting and you think we might want to cover it, well, send us a tip. And here's a pile of wood. We've covered it in our other updates, but this is used for transport during the long trip all the way across the country, and then they use it again when they're actually transporting the track and supports over to the main site. So it's just for extra protection. One thing I do want to point out is check out the color pairing. Wow, is that awesome looking. Not to mention, once it's 150 feet in the air, you're going to be able to see it from pretty much anywhere around the park. A little closer view of some of those supports, we can see the weight right there. 3,720 pounds for one of them, and the other one is 3,350 pounds. A lot of weight. So just since our last update that we had for Busch Gardens, we can see that flatbed truck. Well, it had parts for the crane, and they're gone now because, like we said, that crane is now in the air about to place some new pieces. Well guys, that is going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa. Just a real quick update showing off the new track that has arrived for Tigris. And again, I want to say thank you to Freddy for sending us these video clips. And we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter @Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.